Ever wanted to blend two photos seamlessly? Stick around because by the end of this tutorial, you'll master face swapping like a pro. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open both of your images in Photoshop. Now pick the lasso tool from the toolbar on the left. Carefully draw around the face you want to swap. It doesn't have to be pixel perfect, just capture the key features. Once you've selected the face, press Ctrl+C to copy it. Switch to your second image and press Ctrl+V to paste the face onto it. You'll notice the face appears as a new layer. Great job so far. Here's where the magic starts. Press Ctrl+T to activate the Transform tool. Reduce the face layer's opacity to 50% so you can see how it aligns with the image below. Adjust the position and size until the new face perfectly fits the features of the original. Once it's perfectly aligned, increase the opacity back to 100%. Feels exciting, right? To make the face blend seamlessly with the rest of the image, hold Ctrl and click on the face layer thumbnail. This will create a selection around the face. Next, go to the image menu, choose Adjustments, and then select Match Color. Here's where you'll tweak the settings to match the tones and colors of both images perfectly. Take your time. This step is crucial. Now let's smooth out the edges. Duplicate the background layer to keep a backup and hide the original. Then go to Select, Modify, Contract, and type in 5 pixels. This contracts the selection slightly to refine the edges. Once done, press the Delete key to remove any harsh lines or overlaps. We're almost there. Select both the face layer and the background layer. Then head over to Edit and choose Auto Blend Layers. When the dialog box pops up, make sure to select Seamless Tones and Colors and click OK. Photoshop will do its magic to merge the layers flawlessly. For that perfect, realistic finish, grab the Mixer brush tool. Use soft settings like a low flow and wetness to gently blend the tones and remove any visible transitions. Take your time here and watch the masterpiece come to life. And there you have it, a stunning face swap that looks natural and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome Photoshop tricks, and leave a comment below letting me know what you want to learn next. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.